Good morning. I am Dr. Shakes with your Eswatini Daily News headlines for today. And these are your leading stories. A lot of non-compliant sectors out there in Eswatini. The Eswatini Revenue Service has uncovered a tax gap of more than 4.4 billion emalangeni, money that should have been paid to government coffers but was not declared or collected. The revelation came as Finance Minister Neil Reckenberg launched the 2025 Income Tax Filing Season and Compliance Improvement Plan (CIP) at the ERS headquarters. Turning to other news making headlines. Ever wondered why the country's highest education institution, the University of Eswatini UNESWA, is always experiencing financial challenges? The cat is now out of the bag. The Minister of Education and Training, Owen Ngumalo, officially handed over a comprehensive report compiled by the Special Task Team to the management of the university. The handover marked a significant step in the government's ongoing efforts to revitalize the institution of higher learning.
Sende show noma lena nangishaye kahle chairman next 10.
Moving on. The Kingdom of Eswatini and the Kingdom of Morocco convened for the inaugural session of a joint commission for cooperation, marking a significant milestone in strengthening bilateral relations between the two nations. The session was co-chaired by Her Excellency Minister Polile Shakandu and His Excellency Nasser Bourita, Minister of Foreign Affairs, African Cooperation and Morocco Expatriates of the Kingdom of Morocco. Your sports news. Khune Singizeni Hotspurs make a dramatic return to the CAF Champions League through a boardroom decision. MTN Premier League champions Singizeni Hotspurs have lodged a complaint to the CAF over the eligibility of the Simba SC technical bench. The Shiselweni-based side is accusing the Simba SC for using an illegible technical bench during the second preliminary round tied between the two clubs. For these and more other headlines, visit our website www.swazidailynews.com and also remember to grab yourself a copy on Press Reader for free. Have a good day.